Hi kids, welcome back. We are going to do another circle time morning meeting today. And so to start things off, I want you to turn your voice to the days of the month. Now remember parents that at any time during this video when we are going to our voice to feel free to pause and let your kiddos get to that page before we move on. So we're going to start with the month that we are in. And last time I saw you guys, we were in March and we're in a new month now. And I want you to look at your voice and point to the month we're in. And we are in the month of April. So if you find that in your voice and point to it, that'd be fantastic. So we are in the month of April now. Next, we're going to look at what day we are on. So what we want to do is now turn to our voice to the days. And that's going to be on our calendar. It's 1 through 30. And we're going to look, and the last time we were here was the 21st. So we need to add a new number. And can you guys tell me what number it is? This is what it looks like. 22, it's the 22nd. So if you can find that in your voice and point that out to us, that'd be great. And we're gonna put that down on our calendar. Perfect. Now I'm gonna be out of the frame a little bit so you guys can see. And we're going to count. And we're gonna count starting with 1. Let me see if I can bring this up closer so you guys can follow along with me. So let's count. We're going to start with 1. It's a little shiny, but here we go. So follow along. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So it is the 22nd day of April. So now we want to start thinking, if today is the 22nd, we want to come all the way up to the top. It's going to tell us what day it is today. And so when we come up to the top from 22, I'm going to come forward again. 22, we're going to climb up to the top. And today is Wednesday. So if you want to look on your voice and find Wednesday and point that out, that'd be fantastic. So today is Wednesday. So now what we want to think is if today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? What will tomorrow be? So we're going to jump forward today, and what will tomorrow be? So I'm going to let you think about that while you get there. And while you're doing that, I'm going to take the days of the week, and I'm going to go ahead and put today is Wednesday for us. Today is Wednesday. So I'm going to put that on our sheet. Today is Wednesday. Now I want you to start thinking about what will tomorrow be. So we're going to jump forward today. So if today is Wednesday, we're going to jump forward, and tomorrow will be Thursday. You're right. So tomorrow's going to be Thursday. So while I go back and I put our Thursday on, I want you to think about what was yesterday. So while I'm putting our tomorrow tag on, I want you to think what was yesterday. So go ahead and think about that. And put that on your voice and point it up for us. So tomorrow we decided was gonna be Thursday, so we went ahead and put that on our calendar here. So if tomorrow's gonna be Thursday, today's Wednesday, what was yesterday? So we're gonna jump back a day. So we're gonna come forward again. You're right, so tomorrow, or yesterday I mean, will be Tuesday, good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on our calendar for us as well. So yesterday was, I'm gonna say yesterday was Tuesday. So now we can say yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. So good job, guys. All right, well, I put this back up on our board and get us situated again. I want us to look and turn to our 10 frame on our voice. And I gotta find it too. And it's the one that has 1 through 10 on it on the top. It's gonna say 10 frame. And what I want us to do is I want you to think and ask yourself, what do we call this here? This black grid, what do we call it? We do, we call that a 10 frame because there's 10 empty squares. So let's count those empty squares together, starting with 1. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you pointed to 10, that there are 10 empty squares here, that is great. So now, I'm just gonna pick a random number and we're gonna put it in there. Oh, let's see. I got it. I'm gonna place 6 yellow circles in our 10 frame. So let's count them together as I put them on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I want you to find on your voice 6 and just point it out for me. Since we already counted it, I just want to make sure you can find it on your voice. Perfect. Now, I want to know how many more it's going to take to fill up our 10 frame. So I'm going to give you a minute to think about that. How many more? Right. So let's find out together. We're going to count together starting with 1, and we're going to fill in our empty squares. So here we go, starting with 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you said 4, give yourself a pat on the back. That's awesome. So now what we have is we have 6 yellow and 4 red. And so our equation is 6 plus 4 equals 10. Good job, guys. Again, we're going to turn to our voice, and we want to turn to the numbers page that has 10 through 100 on the top, parents, and then it's going to have 1 through 19 on the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to go looking at the how many days of school we've been in. So I'm going to switch out our board, tuck our calendar behind there. So yesterday, we looked at our board here, and we were in school 148 days. Let me bring that up. 148. So that's 1 100. We have 4 10s, and we have 8 1s. But we need to change that. We need to add 1 more to our ones column. So instead of 148, We need to make one more here. Now, I wonder what that's gonna be. So let's get our things out here. Here's our days of school. And we said we needed to add one more day. So we're gonna take our 1, and I'm gonna take 1 ones cube, and I'm gonna add it. And now we're gonna count those together, starting with 1. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Perfect. So we have 9 ones. So we've been in school, so we need to put that here. So we have 9 ones now. We're going to put that in the ones column. And that also means that we need to change the 148 to 149. I'm going to take that guy off. We're going to pull the 9 out. So you see 149. And remember what this says is we have 100. So we're going to take the 100 flat. We're going to put that in there. And it says we need 4 tens. Let's count those together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we have matching. And now we want to count them. So I want you to keep 100 in your head. And we're going to count them. So we have 100, 110, 120, 130, and 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, and 149. So we have been in school for 149 days. We're almost there, kids. And summer will be here before you know it, and we will be swimming and having fun. I want to thank you for joining me for another morning meeting circle group. And I'll see you again later. Bye now.